today going to make my Sizzling Summer Burger.
Sizzling Summer Burger.
Sizzling Summer.
Sizzling.
I did not buy ground beef. I bought the patties, baby.
All pre-made.
That's right. So these are blended burgers that are already made, and I'm just gonna season them up. So now, because they're already made, I can't get the seasoning in. I'm gonna do like they do at a lot of fast food places, which is shake it over the top.
Shake it,
All right.
yep.
Love that.
So my season here, Hungarian hot paprika, smoky,
say
spicy,
what?
garlic powder.
You need your own line of paprika.
I know, right? Cumin, but it's already out there. I'm into inventions like infladium, you know?
Oh!
Jeff Mauro
A little bit of onion powder right
That's what
there.
I do. I taught her that.
Black pepper and some salt. Just gonna stir that up.
Salt.
Stir
I like the
that
onion
up.
powder in this, Sonny.
Yeah, you know, it works. I love the idea of buying a pre-formed patty. I'm just gonna get this on both sides. And then the key here is you're gonna let it rest. Burger like this, I'm gonna take this a little medium rare. I'll take a little bit of that red center, you know?
Just a bit, right?
Yeah, just a bit. After they sit for, you could do up to 2 hours at room temperature, right onto the grill. I got them on.
Oh, I love
I'm
this.
doing some direct heat, gonna flip them. Don't touch them. So now, let's figure out the fire, right? Because we only put the Hungarian hot paprika on there. That's not enough to blow our lid off. So I'm gonna make some cheese sauce. Now you can buy a box of just the cheese sauce.
Just the pouches.
Yeah, just the pouches of cheese. So get that, and then add in my newest favorite ingredient you guys are gonna start picking on me for, sriracha seasoning. It has all the fire. It's a little bit tangy as well. I say to a couple of packs, a couple of tablespoons, but it really is, give it a try and you'll know how hard you wanna go with it. I just want to make sure the cheese sauce is hot.
Those ratios are looking on point already.
Now you feeling
Bun
it?
to burger ratio.
I'm putting the lettuce on the bun, all right, okay? Then after that, I'm gonna throw that burger down.
Keeps the wetness away from the bun,
yeah,
right?
you don't want it to get too soggy, you know what I'm saying?
Onions.
Some red onions. These are the French fried jalapenos now.
So good.
They come in a canister. I like to take them and then just kind of crush. You know what I mean? Come through with some of that luscious
We need that heat on that burger.
cheese sauce.
It's good.
Don't overdo it. Just a little.
Look at that steam coming off of it.
Oh, man.
All right, GZ.
Oh,
Man alive.
My
Look at
sizzling summer burger, y'all.
Look at that. I mean, that is, look at that.
What's great about it is everything is done right. The bun is warm, the lettuce is proper, the cheese is really melted. The burger's cooked to perfection, seasoned on point, plus it's yummy. It's really good.